Sammy Cat. Welcome back to my channel. I know I really don't make a lot of videos all the time, but life is busy, you know, a lot to do, a lot of work. But today I had some free time and I was feeling really down, and I just wanted to make myself feel a lot better. So I decided to do my makeup because doing my makeup makes me just feel amazing. So I just kind of grab the brushes and grab whatever palettes I have, and just whatever pops into my head I just do. I usually don't really have a plan for what kind of makeup I'm doing, and I just kind of let my inspiration take over me and just see what comes out of it. So this is the look that I came up with today. It's like a little dark smoky with some burgundy and glitter, some dark lips, big lashes, no liner today. I hope you like it, and if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, continue watching and you can check it out. Enjoy! anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video of whatever look this is. Nice smoky burgundy look. So if you like this, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter and like and subscribe. And all my stuff is at SammyCat.